Hello everyone, welcome to Passion Bonsai. So today we're going to work on this pomegranate tree. So this is around 5 years old. It is grown from a seed and the variety is more like a local. So this is not like a hybrid pomegranate, the ones which produce large fruits. So, and I think for bonsai culture, it's good to have the basic pomegranate, the one which is not like a hybrid type. So, because they have more stronger roots and the growth is nice and they can get thicken faster. And they are not that much sensitive. The one which are grafted and all, I think it's not a good idea to use those. So, it has produced really nice branches. You can see the branches are like kind of in every direction. There was also some growth on this side because when it was in the ground, you can see these branches are dead already. Like these, it gave like many shoots on this part. And this is the back of the tree. I mean, this is what I'm thinking about the back. And this seems like a good front. To do some wiring, I have tried wiring on this tree before, and I mean the results were not really good. So let's see how it goes this time. Otherwise, we will do clip and grow method on this. But this time I want to give like another try for wiring. So let's select the branches first. See here, this is the only one here, and actually this one also we can see as a first branch. This is not coming from this main trunk, but it's like from a root, and there was a new shoot. So yeah, but it still can look good in the future. So I just wanted to keep it, and there is one behind that. It also it's looking good. So I'm just keeping more options. So whenever we are designing, it's always good to have many options, you know, since the tree is still in training. And so we can say this is first branch, second, and there is one more small one here. You can see the shoot. But because the tree is dominating like all the growth, you know, is going all these parts, so this one is kind of weak. So I want this one to grow, so I think it will grow when we will reduce all these extra foliage. Do some cut back here. This one is growing not from where we desired, so we'll remove it. Short this size. These ones are very long here. Cut back even more. This one is going backwards. I tried to bend it, but it just seems like cracking. Oh, this. Now it's getting very hot here in our place, so it's not a good time for repotting. I have many trees which need repotting, but we have to wait for the monsoon because the temperature is really high. The only plant you can work now or do the repotting is jade only, I think. Everything else, it's not a good idea to do any repotting at the moment. And now we work on this part. Now this part will get some more energy, I hope, and we'll get this one more longer and thicker in the future. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already wired all these branches, and now we're going to move them in the place carefully. This one I did already a little bit before I started the recording. I think we can get rid of this one also. Okay, looks good. Lower it. Nice here or here. this one is giving some movement also. Okay guys, so this is all for now for this tree. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.